Hey guys, it's Peter, and welcome to my channel. Peter! That's me! Boom, 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 boom. Bam, 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 bam. Review stuff, and I'm back for another review video, and I am very excited about this today, because I know nothing about this, okay? I know nothing about this. Today, my little bag, I am going to review the Dubai chocolate. Take it out of the bag really quick. Today I'm going to review, here I'm going to put it, oh, it's like got gold leaf on it and things. There's my thumbnail. Today I'm going to review the Dubai chocolate, which I didn't know anything about. I didn't know anything about until last night. I didn't. Okay, so let me tell you this story really quick about this, okay? So, last night, I hung out with my good Judy Tiny Jean. We went to a meeting last night. For those of you that do not know, I'm sober. I've been sober for over 30 years. So we were going to a meeting last night. We were going to a new meeting. We usually go to, our home group is on Tuesday night. So we usually go to that. And then we are done at 9. And sometimes we'll go like to the gas station, get a fountain pop and things like that. But last night we tried a new meeting. And so the meeting started at 7. So I got to my friend Tiny Jean's about 6 o'clock. So she told me, it's kind of a funny story, but I don't know that it'll make sense to anybody else. So she said, well, we're going to try this new meeting tonight. I said, oh, okay, because it started at 7. And I said, so then afterwards we can go to the grocery store and stuff like that. And so my husband dropped me off at her house, and then she's going to drive me home. And I said, that's perfect, the 7 o'clock meeting. And I said, so she's showing it to me on her phone, because she had the address and stuff pulled up. And I said, girl, is this a literature meeting? And if you're in recovery and you go to 12-step meetings, you'll know what I'm talking about. And she goes, yeah, why? I said, now, you know I don't get out of the house much, okay? But you're going to take my ass to a literature meeting tonight. A literature meeting is where, well, I just did a Peterisms videos, and these are not 12-step approved books. But for example, this is like a meditation book by Melody Beatty, okay? A literature book is where you read like the basic text or a 12-step book, and then you read a passage out of it, and then everybody in the meeting responds to it and what they learned from it, what they like the topic. I said, now listen, I've learned a lot in literature meetings. I think literature meetings are fantastic, okay? Fun? I don't know that I would say they're fun. Yes, 12-step meetings are fun. We have a lot of fun. We're not a glum lot. And I looked over and said, you're going to take me to a literature meeting? She goes, you're going to do what I tell you to do, and we're going to have a good time. I said, okay, okay. I said, listen, Linda, if we're going to go to a literature meeting, then you're going to take me to my coffee place, okay? You're going to take me where I want to go for coffee, which is this place called Miriam's, okay? So, before we went to Florida and Mexico, my friend Tanya Jean and I, we went and got pedicures one night, all right? If you keep up with my vlogs, you know that. And right next to the pedicure place is this store called Miriam's Coffee. Now, I did not realize it was a chain. I thought it was just some little local store or something like that. And we went into Miriam's, okay? I didn't know what I wanted to have. They had butter cake. They had all this good stuff in there, baklava. They had, oh my God, it was so good. My mom would have loved this place. So anyway, I'm like looking up there, and I was like, Tanya, I don't know what to get. She goes, just get something. So I was like, okay, and I got this thing called an espresso tonic. Have you ever had one? Oh my God, on my Peter Does Stuff channel, 2 days ago, I just made them at home. She told the lady yesterday too, she goes, so I said, we're going to go to Miriam's, and I want my espresso tonic. So if you don't know what espresso tonic is, it's basically tonic water, espresso, and sometimes they put citrus in it. Like at this place, they put lime in it. You can put orange in it. You can put lemon in it, whatever. You can also put cream, but they don't do that there. There, they make it the real way, okay? And so I love it. I'm so obsessed with it. It's kind of bitter taste. It's a really good summer drink. So anyway, on my Peter Does Stuff channel, 2 days ago, I made one myself at home. If you want to go over there and watch that video, you want to make them yourself. Anyway, so we go to Miriam's yesterday, and while we're there, the woman's taking our order and stuff like that. The first time I went, I was like, I don't know what to get, because they have all these different drinks and stuff like that. They have like hot drinks, cold drinks, everything like that. Tanya said, just get something different. So I was like, okay, well, I'll get this espresso tonic, because I like espresso. That sounds good. By the way, it's espresso, not espresso, okay? Drives me crazy when people, it's espresso. We all mispronounce things. I mispronounce things about every third word, okay? That's okay. It's okay. I used to say anniversary, like it's got an H in it, and nursery, like it's got an H in it, but I'm just telling you, it's espresso, not espresso. There's no X in espresso. The X we say for Family Feud. When they're trying to guess the answer, or if you Wheel of Fortune, big money, big money. But anyway, there's no X, and it's espresso. Anyway, so I got the espresso tonic. Well, I loved it. Oh my God, I fell in love with it so much. So I told Tanya Jean last night, I said, we got to go back to Miriam's. So we went to Miriam's yesterday. We ordered our drinks in there. And I said to the woman, I said, I just love those espresso tonics, because she remembered us from the time before. If you've ever met Tawny Jean and I in person, you'll never forget us, okay? We'll talk your head off. We'll tell you, before we leave, you will know every personal story about our life. So anyway, so she remembered us. And I said, I love the espresso tonic. Oh my God, it was so good. And Tawny's leaning on the counter and she goes, he now makes them at home. She goes, he's a YouTuber. He made a video. I go, Tawny Jean. I hate when she tells people that in public. Anyway, I said, I don't make it as good as you do. I don't. She makes it so fantastic. Plus, mine are from K-Pod. She makes real espresso. It's not the same thing. But anyway, so Tanya's, I said, let's shop. Because they have to make the drinks and stuff. So they got little stuff in there and whatever. I said, let's shop. So we're looking through all the cabinets. And Tanya goes, oh my God, they have the Dubai chocolate. I go, what? She goes, they have the Dubai chocolate. And I said, what's the Dubai chocolate? She goes, I forgot you don't get on TikTok. I go, no, I don't get on TikTok. So she's pulling up the TikTok and she's showing me about how this Dubai chocolate was like viral. And I'm like, oh, well, I guess then I need to review it for my channel if it's viral. I mean, my cousin Caroline's always like, this is viral on the TikTok. You'll get 10,000 views. I don't think I've ever had a 10,000 viewed video on this channel, period, end of story. And I don't think it's going to happen today with Dubai chocolate. But I do want to get in here and I do want to read to you this because I looked up Merriam's. I did not realize that Merriam's is like a chain. So let me read you the story really quick, okay? This story. In the heart of Istanbul, where tales are brewed in every cup, Merriam Coffee was born. It started 5 years ago when two souls far from home discovered the magic of connection over Turkish coffee. Wrapped in the warmth of conversation, Merriam became more than a drink. She became a companion, a confidant during celebrations and darkest nights. A blend of cultures, Merriam is the silent friend in offices and the shared joy between generations. From the serene highlands of Colombia and India, Merriam's journey unfolds. Handpicked by skilled farmers, each cherry carries the promise of a rich heritage. In our Turkish facility, tradition meets innovation, creating the unparalleled taste of Merriam coffee. It's more than a drink. It's an ode to the blend of cultures. Merriam symbolizes authenticity and diversity, inviting you to savor a cup filled not just with flavor, but with the essence of shared experiences. Merriam Coffee, now in 16 countries, spreads its legacy of excellence. Each sip is an innovation to indulge in an experience crafted with dedication, passion, and an unwavering quest for perfection. Welcome to Merriam's world, where every cup tells a story, and every story begins with the richness of connection. When you go in there, it just seems like kind of a small store, but they have things that, oh, it says franchise? You can franchise? Maybe I'm going to buy me one. Anyway, you can go in here and it says on their website, it tells you the stuff that you can buy. It shows their products in here. So the different products are, they have espresso booster that you can get. They got Cape. Oh my God, espresso capsules! I might have to get those. I don't have to get an espresso machine. Espresso Elegance, Espresso Harmony. They've got all this espresso stuff. So anyway, they got all kinds of coffee in there. Hazelnut coffee. They have mastic coffee. And then they have Turkish coffee. I think these are whole the ground beans. Turkish coffee. And yeah, so they've got all kinds of stuff in there. And it's, so anyway, very, very cool. And I love this place so much. Favorite coffee at the moment. My cousin Caroline and I and Tanya and I are trying to like try a lot of different coffee places. So Tanya and I both got the Dubai chocolate. I didn't ask her what she thought of it. But anyway, so this is the Dubai chocolate. Now it looks a lot of different ways when you see it online. But I want to show this to you. I don't know if it's showing that. Do you see there's like gold tint to it? Look at that. It's supposed to have like pistachio or something in it. I read online. I'm trying to do thumbnails. Okay. I don't really know if I should open it up or break it open or what should I do? I should probably break it. Oh my God. It's so soft and stuff inside. Oh, it's definitely got pistachio in it. Oh my God, oh, I didn't bring any napkins, so one day I'll bring napkins. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like inside, because I know people will be like, Peter, you didn't show us the inside. Okay. Okay, ready? Oh, it's crunchy, I didn't expect that. First of all, this bar was $7.99, okay? Well, I bought one for Tawny Jean, too, so she better like it, because that's an expensive candy bar. But this, oh my God, this is so good. I don't really know how to explain it. It's, well, okay, so they have milk chocolate, dark chocolate. They have like 4 different kinds. If you guys like this, the next time we go, I'll try a different kind. I definitely can taste the pistachio in it. It kind of tastes like a wafer cookie. Okay, I'm going to tell you how it tastes. This will only make sense to people that have them or tried them. They're my favorites. Do you know the Reese's? And yes, I do call them Reese's. Okay, I'm from Indiana. That's what we've called them for 52 years. I've been alive, Reese's. Do you know the Reese's Sticks? These taste like the Reese's Sticks with no peanut butter, just milk chocolate and pistachio, if that makes sense. And I'm not going to eat this whole thing. I'm going to save it. This, because I'm on a weight loss journey. This is so good. Oh, it's like melting in my hand, so I don't want to pick it up too much. But this is so good. I understand what the... Chocolate in my hands. I totally understand what the rave about this is now. Oh my God. How am I just... I got to get on the TikTok. I got to get on the TikTok, don't I? Well, have you guys tried it? If you've tried it, let me know what you think in the comment section below. I love you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.